Ay, bilis, bilis. Para mapanood nila. Uy, ba't yun naman ako hinihintay?
For example, the walls of this room are constructed entirely out of rare marble.
Anong bahay? Anong bahay?
Marbles actually in this house. I mean,
Anong bahay yan? Huy! Anong bahay?
drywall.
Ah, sure. Anong bahay yan?
There's literally 6 people just sharing theaters in this house. And the rooms on the bottom floor get even better. Oh, well, the house down there, over here. This is literally amazing. Just like me in.
Kaya
Probably a 50% chance we're flying in because it's 7 a.m. Oh, that's pretty good. That would have been funny if we were all his face.
anong problema mo dito?
The house has a dinosaur. Are you more apt to buy it? The locker room? No one currently owns this house, so they put name tags of the people that play.
Oh!
Like 50 billion pesos, like 100 billion. What's your name?
Oh!
I just be sitting here. You really maxed their house. Thank you. The main problem with this is it only stores 6 Lamborghinis. Right. This house also has by far this whole year I've ever seen in my life. Whoa. This almost looks like a real movie. This is the best movie theater. Actually, money here. It only costs $1 million for that. Hey, I don't think
Wala dyan.
my church don't even do it.
Report na natin to.
No way. That's the whole one here. What is wrong with it? Alright, take the way upstairs. This is a primary bedroom.
Siyempre, paano to?
Over here is the bathroom.
Kasi.
Remember one to shower with 10 people? No, you can't. That's my thing.
Huy! Ay! O, yan na. O, tapos na. Ano to, pre? Ala? Oy! Uy, saraling! Oh, paano to?
It looks like you're running out of glue.
Sino bala ka dyan, no? Ano?
Hey, if everyone can subscribe,
Report natin to, pre. Babae to eh. Report natin to.
good if they subscribe.
Ano pangalan ko to? Bilis. Pangalan niya.
did I join a public with this brain rot, bro? Oh, this guy grabbed it! Oh my god, is somebody gonna hit him? Wait, no! No! It's worth more than my grandma's pension I needed! Please! How the hell did I
Ito, bola ko dyan. Pre-report natin to. Wala, nakakaano to eh.
The dog looked so sad.
Na-report mo, na-report.
And decided to go upstairs and ask if their dog could come outside. Both dogs were so happy running around and playing together. But then the guy looked up again and saw another dog staring down at them. This guy was
Rin ka, pre.
Let's go gameplay!
Huli ko ng babae, pre. Yung hacker talaga to.
Oh my God, Mike, you already used my last, that's my last money, boy.
Bili.
It's not even enough to buy me a phone.
Pre.
Maybe you can send me someone. You know someone in the Philippines? The guy you play with. Maybe you can hook me up with him. How much is his rate? Because I don't have money right now, right? Ilan taon yung maawa ng bola? Kung mo kasi gano'n, ito yung star player ko, ang ginagawa, huwag ka na papalaroin. Di ba, dati ang hilingi sa basketball shooting, pero shooting. Shooting. Nakaharap pa mo ng grade natin.
Bakit?
Kung inom siguro pa kaya, ikaw ang pinakahuli kong pinapasok mo. Kaya dapat, ikaw ang pinag-inasa.
I-report ko na. Sino? I-report ko to. Uy, pre, tulungan niyo nga ako dito sa hacker na to. Si M?
Huwag kayong maniniwala. Hindi ko itanong ito.
Ano pangalan niya?
Ang pinuro ko yung ano. Magsaksak.
M? Si M? Wait lang. Asan na yun? Pinapatalsik niya ako. Ano hindi niya ako tutulungan? I-report mo yung text para mabalik ka.
Tandaan niyo po ba yung mga play na itinuro ko sa inyo? Siyempre.
Bilis report niya.
Hindi lamang supply. Para pagdating ng game, matandaan nyo.
Saan yan?
Pumasok lahat ng tira nyo.
Uy, akyat mo ako doon! Uy, akyat mo rin ako doon! Akyat mo ako. Okay. Oo. Ano ba naman yan? Sige na, okay na, okay na.
Oy! Hindi pa, hoy! Please, i-carry mo ako, i-carry. Sige na, go. Sige.
Wala na lahat. Wala na yung ko, ha? Kung tayo magkagyan sa liwanan nyo. Pero pwede na dyan sa Inlegan. Tama niya, ha? Kung gawa ko ng tuloy natin para maya.
Ay, pre, ay! Namali!
Punta dito.
Walang pa ako, eh.
Tapos tayo.
Takot. Punta ako dyan, punta ako.
Hindi ko nagalaw. Oh. Wala ko.
Ano ako sa'yo? Teka lang, papunta ako dyan.
Wala kakalaban namin mamaya.
Ano ba problema dito?
Ang problema dito.
Ano ba problema na itong babae na to?
Ano ba?
Tumalong ka dyan, Sam! Tumalong ka dyan, Sam! Pupunta ka dyan. Please! Tulong ka! Bilisan mo na! Gumento ka! Oh, bilisan mo! Sige, kunin mo na yan!
Sige.
Sige na yan!
Pumirma ng kontrata, pagkatapos doon, maiputang na umuwi. Ayan na ako. Ano ako nag-rapid ako nag-rapid ko rin mo. Ang dati kong ginagawa sa Senado. Tuloy mo ako dyan sa ano. Meron ako sa ako. Ugot? Ugot? Ugot.
Ha ha ha. Ilang. Ilang.
Tatay, andito na siya!
Sino? Sino?
Ayun na, lumipat na! Ayun na, ano? There he is. Uy! Tara, atin natin siya!
Kuwarin na ba? Kuwarin ako. Teka lang, kuwarin ako. Hintayin niyo ako, kukuwarin ako.
Uy! Sundan to!
Kukuwarin ako.
Tara, Taki! Tara!
Teka lang, ito na ako, papunta na. Saan kayo? Avengers! Assemble!
Assemble!